this is Richa here. Good morning to everyone, and you're the most welcome this session. Awesome Blossom English Learner. So, I don't want to waste time because I don't have time, and sorry for that. I am actually not able to upload my videos nowadays. It's not mean that I didn't upload. I make already a lot of videos, but thing is that nowadays I'm facing network issues. That's why that video is on the uploading mode. So sorry for that. Okay, a lot of people also saying only one thing, no matter that what kind of you having a status while English communications. I'm talking about the skills, I'm talking about communications, I'm talking about especially language. Okay, so those people also saying only one thing in the beginning of time, and that's why they lose the confidence. What is the line of that? That's line, and by that lines you automatically give your identity that you are good or not. People cannot recognize you, but you will give the this identity that you are not good at English. So please, I am requesting to everyone, and this is the biggest mantra. Because of this judgmental, this judging point, you will always keep in your mind, and that's why people can actually catch your weakness point. If you want to catch your weakness points, definitely no one can help you. So just try to be confident and just try to be bold, and whenever you are speaking, just try to speak very calm, very confidently, and very without any points. Okay, people not asking to you that you are good or not. People not asking you. Everyone knows that you are good or not. But thing is that don't judge. Stop this now. Stop this line. Say to anyone, I'm not good at English, I'm not good at English, I'm a learner, like that. Everyone knows. If according to you that you should say that I'm not good at English, you also can say I'm a learner this language. Okay, I just give example. When someone will ask you that, okay, what's your name? Okay, my name is Mrs. Richa. What is the purpose you are having this language? You also can say that I want to improve my English communication, that because of so that of course I also can get dashing salaries, and this language is world language, global language. This is the second language, and that's why I'm also trying to learn. Okay, so included this stuff, you also can include I'm a learner, and that's why I'm a learner. You don't have need to say, you don't have need to judge yourself that you are not good at English. And because of that things, lot of people also started, seriously, this is absolutely true, lot of people also trying to start your communications. So everyone is not perfect, don't forget it. What do you think, that I am perfect? I am also not perfect, but I never consider to myself that I am not good at English. Of course, yaar, how can we say that we are really very good at English? And that's why we are here, right? That we want to learn, we want to improve. And why we have need to improve? Just because of this language is not our language. My mother tongue is Hindi, right? So that's why it's obviously we should know, we don't know this language, but we can get to know about this language, how to speak in English. And for that things, if you want to speak in English and if you want to be a native speaker, so please just avoid this state that you are not good at English. Now you will promise me you never will say to anyone that I am not good at English. Just say I'm a learner, I am a fresher, or I am trying to learn English communications. I hope you're gonna help me. Okay, so these points, don't say why you also saying this line, I'm not good at English, because you think that people will catch you. And before that, if people will catch your points, that's why you just prefer to tell to yourself that I'm not good at English. But don't forget, people also like as you. and that's why you are practicing with anyone. And why, according to you, why that people also are here? Just because of they also want to learn, they also want to practice, and that's why they also are here. Suppose you just started your journey today, but someone has started his journey or her journey before couple of days. So right now he or she has 2 days experience, and that's why according to you he or she is really good having language. Okay, so that's why. And don't underestimate yourself, just give the value yourself and give importance yourself. Oh my god, you're really important person. At least you are trying to learn this language. This is not easy, this is a rocket of science which you decide in your life you want to learn English communication. And that's why you have to promise me that you will never say that I'm not good at English. Just say I'm a learner. Okay, so bye. I hope you will understand my message, what I want to say to you. And if you want to see such a many beautiful video, for that things you will have to press the bell icon, and don't forget like, dislike, whatever you want to do that. But my intention is to motivate you and to increase your confidence, and that's why I'm really trying to think what kind of stuff I can bring out for you, so that of course my message, my one message can improve your life. So bye.